Here's the question I got asked. How can I create a fake account on LinkedIn that the AI or the systems are not going to shut down? Let's talk about this for a few minutes. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. Fake accounts. LinkedIn, this whole system is being trampled on by fake accounts. And I'm pretty good, I believe, at calling out fake accounts. You can tell by the image. You can tell by the title. You can tell by the about section. You can tell by, the experience section and the lack of engagement, the lack of connections. You can also tell by clicking on the more button and about this profile and see that it was just created and just updated in the last month or weeks. Or you can see it was created back in 2011 or 2015, but they just updated the contact information and added a new profile in the last week. And so it's pretty easy to call out a fake LinkedIn account. And you don't want that. I don't care what your reason is for using LinkedIn, whether it's purposefully, intentionally, business, career, or for nefarious reasons, which I do not promote. You do not want a LinkedIn profile that looks, smells, reads fake, because that's just not going to help you. If you need access to another LinkedIn account for some business reason, maybe you're testing something, maybe you're experimenting with something, and maybe you're just learning, by golly, don't create a fake account. Get somebody who has an account to help you do that experimentation, help you do that testing. And once you're done experimenting, done testing, clear out the comments, clear out the invites, clear out the posts, etc., just to clean it up. But do not create a fake account. Again, I reiterate, the fact that you call it fake means it's going to look fake. And you don't want an account, no matter what your reason you're using for, you do not want an account that looks fake. So again, I do not promote creating an additional account or any other accounts on LinkedIn for nefarious reasons. And nefarious reasons for me, in my perspective, is for you to use automation to send out invites and encourage people to get in a conversation with the real account. That's just unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. However, if you need to have access to an account for business reasons, for testing, experimenting, learning reasons, then reach out to somebody who's on LinkedIn and ask them if they can help you. I reiterate, I do not support creation of another account, fake or less than fake, on LinkedIn. Just not a fan of it.